Hello everyone. I was outside today. I got a few things. I went to this place called the Soda City's Farmers Market in Columbia, South Carolina. And I also needed to make an Ulta run, and I wanted to go to TJ Maxx to see if they had some things. So let's look at everything I got today. Starting with the Farmers Market. I got some soap stuff from Copper Cane Soap Company. It's really cute. It's like one of those crafts places where you can make your own candles, soaps. They do parties or get-togethers and everything. And actually, if you're in the South Carolina area right now, they are actually doing a free candle making party giveaway. From now until December, they're giving away one every month. So I will be entering that drawing. Don't ask me who I'm going to go with, but I'm going to enter. From there, I got shower oil, and I got the scent Carolina. It smelled really good. He said it's one of their best sellers. It smells kind of masculine, but also clean. And it's a shower gel, so you use it while you're in the shower to add extra moisture, and you can also shave with it. And I also got these shower tabs, and I will use these in the morning before I go to work to wake me up and just give me that extra boost of energy, because I got the energized scent. I got a gluten-free cinnamon sugar donut. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am gluten restrictive diet for 6 weeks until I figure out what some things that are going on. But it's from Gorilla Boost, and everything they make is gluten-free, and they do have vegan items as well. I forgot about that, if I'm being honest. Then I got this from Chrissy Crafts, and this girl looks like my daughter, I'm not gonna lie. She's obviously an adult, but Chrissy Crafts, and she sews and knits and all that good stuff, and says, say hello to your new favorite. I got my daughter 2 hair items. So she got this giant scrunchie, and she got this headband, which is really cute. I should have got more stuff. She has some really cute headbands. And that's everything that I got from the farmer's market. No, I take that back. I did get some flowers. I'll insert a video of the flowers. They're really cute. I'm gonna put them in a vase as soon as I finish filming this. From there, I went to Ulta, and I didn't get as many things from Ulta because I ended up getting the shower oil and the shower tabs while I was at the farmer's market. But I did get a few things. Got some cotton balls because I was low. Got these bobby pins because I needed some bobby pins. Got these because I've been wanting to try them. I actually wanted to try this Urban Decay lip gloss stain they had, but they didn't have the colors that's been popping up on my Instagram in my Ulta, so I didn't get them. Instead, I got this NYX Shine Loud and Life Goes. I love this color. I hope it looks good. I'm gonna try it on in a little bit. Look at my hand. I was like trying to find the right colors. I wiped most of it off. And then I also got this, oh, this is actually Ulta Beauty. I thought this was NYX, but it's a weightless water lip stain. And the color that I got was, or is, Pink Popsicle. Last thing I got from Ulta is something that I've been wanting to try for a while now, but I got the Fenty Press Powder Foundation, and I got it in color 470. They have a 70-day return policy if it's not the right shade. No, 60-day return policy as long as 70% or more of the product is still there. So if it's not the right shade, I can go and get the right shade, but I'm pretty sure this is the color that I matched to, like in the spring. But I finally broke down and got it. Now from TJ Maxx, I got these high-waist cut jeans. I really like the detail on the pocket. That's why I got them. And anyone who knows me knows that I keep things forever, so I'll probably have these for a few years, whether they're out of style or in style. If I like them, I'm going to wear them. I also got this Ellen Tracy lip gloss because, again, I'm on the search to find some nice colors to go with my makeup. And it's Super Shine Lip Gloss. It comes in Cabernet, Vintage, Rosé, and Violetta. And then on my final stop, I did go by Wal-Mart. What did I get from Walmart? At this to put my flowers in. You'll see that soon. Like I said, I have a gluten sensitivity right now. So, one, I saw this on Thrive Market, but they were sold out. Two, this is my favorite, absolute favorite licorice. They used to have this in Ross and TJ Maxx all the time when we were in Hawaii. My daughter and I will buy it out. I cannot find it anywhere. And like I said, it was sold out on Thrive Market, and I saw this in Walmart. So I got one bag. It's gluten-free, fish-free, egg-free, shellfish-free, tree nut-free, dairy-free, sesame-free. So it's free of everything, but it's so good. I'm so excited about this. And I got these. I actually tried these the other day when I saw them in the shop at, and they were pretty good. They taste just like Pringles, but they are gluten-free, so I just got this to snack on, eat with my lunches. And I got this mug because I've been wanting to do like a journaling type thing with my Bible study, and it's Mornings with God, my daily prayer journal, and you guys know that I really treasure and value my mornings. They're very important to me, so I can add this to my morning routine. So that's everything that I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about anything, please do not hesitate to ask or let me know.